How are you today? How are you today? I am fine, thank you. I am fine, thank you. What are you doing? What are you doing? I am reading a book. I am reading a book. Where do you live? Where do you live? I live in London. I live in London. Do you live with your family? Do you live with your family? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. What time do you wake up? What time do you wake up? I wake up at 7 a.m. I wake up at 7 a.m. Do you make your bed in the morning? Do you make your bed in the morning? Yes, every day. Yes, every day. What do you eat for breakfast? What do you eat for breakfast? I eat bread and eggs. I eat bread and eggs. Do you drink coffee or tea? Do you drink coffee or tea? I drink tea. I drink tea. What time do you go to work or school? What time do you go to work or school? I go at 8 o'clock. I go at 8 o'clock. How do you go to work? How do you go to work? I go by bus. I go by bus. Do you like your job or school? Do you like your job or school? Yes, I like it. Yes, I like it. When do you eat lunch? When do you eat lunch? I eat lunch at noon. I eat lunch at noon. What time do you finish work? What time do you finish work? I finish at 5 p.m. I finish at 5 p.m. What do you do after work? What do you do after work? I rest and watch TV. I rest and watch TV. What time do you go to bed? What time do you go to bed? I go to bed at 10 p.m. I go to bed at 10 p.m. Do you sleep well at night? Do you sleep well at night? Yes, I sleep very well. Yes, I sleep very well. Do you set an alarm? Do you set an alarm? Yes, I do every morning. Yes, I do every morning. Do you exercise in the morning? Do you exercise in the morning? Sometimes I do. Sometimes I do. Do you like your daily routine? Do you like your daily routine? Yes, it's simple and good. Yes, it's simple and good. How many people are in your family? How many people are in your family? There are 5 people. There are 5 people. Who are they? Who are they? My father, mother, sister, brother, and me. My father, mother, sister, brother, and me. What does your father do? What does your father do? He is a businessman. He is a businessman. What does your mother do? What does your mother do? She is a teacher. She is a teacher. Do you love your parents? Do you love your parents? Yes, very much. Yes, very much. Do you have brothers or sisters? Do you have brothers or sisters? Yes, I have one brother. Yes, I have one brother. Do you talk to your parents every day? Do you talk to your parents every day? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Do you help your family at home? Do you help your family at home? Yes, I clean my room. Yes, I clean my room. What do you do with your family? What do you do with your family? We eat dinner together. We eat dinner together.